whatever the study material is there with you, besides my problems, I have taken some more problems from the exercise you have with your material. Yeah, let me show you problems there, what I have taken. And before that, let me show you the theory covered here. So let us check it out. And whatever the study material you have, this is a copy I have with you. Whatever the copy with you, I have the same with me also. Set well defined, not well defined, and the notations for different sets of numbers. Roster form, set builder form, I have explained you this. And of course, the examples are given, finite and infinite set we have discussed. And the cardinal number. Every one of you, do you see the screen or not?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Finite and infinite set, cardinal number of finite set. And subset of a set, just now we have discussed it. And then equal sets, is it there? Equal sets, equivalent sets. Every equal set will become equivalent, but every equivalent set need not become an equal set, isn't it?
Yes.
For equivalent sets, the cardinal number is same. Similarly, subsets. And power set, universal set. And all this we have seen. So before going to the operations on sets, let us work out some problems and then we will move on to the operations on sets. Okay. And proper subsets also I have explained. Yes.
So can you move one slide before? I want to take the screenshot of improper sets on slide. That.
This one?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So let us see the first problem. Which of the following is an empty set? Come on. X is a real number. And x square minus 1 equal to 0. X square minus 1 equal to 0 means, how do you proceed with? You will be writing it as x plus 1 into x minus 1 equal to 0. And thereby, you will get x is equal to minus 1 or plus 1. So belongs to R only. Not an empty set. So A is ruled out. Coming to B. B is a B in the option B, x is a real number given. The x belongs to R given. What he is saying is such that. It is to be read as such that. X square plus 1 equal to 0. And x square plus 1 can be written as x square minus of minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. That is, just a moment. X square, for your better understanding, I am writing this, square root of minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. What I mean to say, this is an imaginary number. X square minus I square is equal to 0. So you will get x is equal to minus I or plus I. This is called iota. And I think you know what is I, please. Imaginary number, everyone knows, no?
Yes, sir.
So this does not belong to, what I mean to say here, This does not belong to R and hence it is a null set. So which option is correct in this one? Option B. And what about
Sir.
option C? Plus or minus 3?
Possible. Plus or minus of 3.
Huh.
3 cannot be there, so C will
And
be there.
what about x is a real number, x is equal to plus or minus 3, that's also real, and x is a real number, x square is equal to x plus 2. Of course, if you solve this, you will get the factors, real factors.
X minus 2 into x plus 1.
Correct. Here also you are getting x value, minus 2, minus 1. So all these are correct. All these are not real numbers. All these are real numbers only except B. Except B. So B is the empty set. I hope you understand that I need not have to extend this. Coming to the next problem. A is equal to x such that x belongs to R. X square is equal to 16 and 2x equal to 6. Equal to. See, and is there. See, x square is equal to 16 means x is nothing but first case. It is denoted by capital A. Capital A. X square is equal to 16. One is minus 4. Other one is plus 4. You'll get it here. He is saying and here and 2x is equal to 6. That means x is 3. Is there any common number for these two? Everyone is sleeping. I asked you a question, yeah. No one
No,
is
sir.
responding.
Null set.
No.
Null set.
Is there any common number? No.
Null set.
So your answer is a null set. Correct. I hope you understand. Anyone, if you have any doubt, ask me please. This is an easy topic. Sets is an easy topic.
So we have to satisfy both the given conditions, and if they're different, so we have to take common part, no?
Yes, and means we have to take both. Or means we'll take all.
Achha.
And means intersection. We'll be learning that further. Operations. We'll be
Yes,
learning
sir.
that operations. And means this satisfies both. Nothing is common here. Nothing is common. Here it is minus 4 plus 4 in the first case, and the second case it is 3. So nothing is common to both, and hence 5 is the answer, which is null set. Okay. A set A has n elements, and the total number of subsets of A is
2 raised to n.
2 raised to n.
How do you know that?
So formula is there.
Yeah, that's a formula. I have shown you just now by taking an example, 1, 2, 3 also. I have shown you. 1, 2 is there, for example. This is 1. This is 2. This is 1, 2. This is 5. You will have 2 power 2 because the number of elements in the set A is 2. You will get 2 square. If there are 3, 2 cube. If there are 4, 2 power 4. If there are n, 2 power n. And further, in permutations and combinations, we'll be learning how to get 2 power n. There you will get combination symbols. You can choose no element, you can choose one element, you can choose two elements, you can choose three elements from n elements, and you can choose all elements from n elements, and some of these further you will be learning from the binomial theorem as 2 power n. So till then, just remember the number of total number of subsets of A is 2 power n. Okay. Clear, everyone? Now, going to the next problem. Two finite sets have m and n elements. The total number of subsets of the first set is 56, more than the total number of subsets of the second set. Then the values of m and n are anyone? Do you tell me the meaning of it first? Understanding the meaning is very important.
टोटल नंबर ऑफ सबसेट्स है मतलब 2 रेज टू n की वैल्यू 56 है.
हाँ.
सर
बोलो.
प्लस जो सेकंड सेट में है.
Sir, can I tell?
Yeah, बेटा.
The number of subsets of the first set is 56 more than the second, so 2 raised to n equal to 56 plus 2 raised to n.
You're right. The total number of subsets of the first set. First set contains m. So total number of subsets when it contains m elements will be 2 power m. And is the total number of subsets of the first set is means is equal to 56 more than the total number of subsets of the second set. 56 more means 56 plus 2 power
2n.
This is what the equation gives. Then you have to find out the values of m and n. It is inevitable that you have to cross verify the result because whenever you have two unknowns, you have two unknowns, you must have two equations. But here you have only one equation. That is the reason why you have to cross verify this. Anyway, m will be bigger and n should be smaller according to this expression. So if you substitute 2 power 7, cross verify, that's it.
B option.
B option, huh? If you want me to write the proof of it, this is simple steps I'll show you like this. 2 power m minus 2 power n is equal to 56. 56 is 8 sevens or 56. That means I'm writing the prime factors. Now what I'm doing, I'm taking up 2 power n common, and thereby you will get it as 2 power m minus n minus 1 is equal to 2 cube into 7. Because it is a prime number,
Sir.
it must be equal to 7. It is 7. And it must be equal to 3. So you can clearly say that now n is equal to, yes please, anyone do respond and tell me the answer.
3. n is 3 and m is 6.
And 2 power m minus n minus 1 is equal to 7. That is 2 power n we have got it to be 3 there. M minus 3 is equal to 8. 8 is nothing but 2 cube. So m minus 3 is equal to 6. Sorry, m minus 3 is equal to 3 and m is equal to 6.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, we could write 56 as 64 minus 8,
Okay.
and then 2 raised to the power 6 and 2 raised to power 3. Then we could directly get the values of m and n.
You want to write 56 as
64 minus 8.
okay. That's okay. That's okay. But proving this like this, instead, you better verify the options, please.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I got the cross verification, but by this method, sir, can you explain that pink step, sir?
Because 2 power n, 2 cube, and it is 7. 7 cannot further be split because it's a prime number, and we have taken the prime factorization.
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason why we have equated the prime numbers. That's it.
2 raised to m minus n minus 1 is a prime number.
2 power n is 2 cube. The other one must be we don't know whether it's prime number or not. The other one must be according to this equality. Other one must be 7. That's it.
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now, going to the next question. 2 finite sets. I think it is also repeated. Okay.
Repeat.
Let's see the second one, please. Second one, please. The number of proper subsets of 1, 2, 3. Proper subsets.
6.
So 6.
6.
Yeah.
6. 4.
Total minus improper. Total will be 2 cube. Improper is 2 for a non-empty set. It should be 6. That's it. So 6 is the correct answer. For any non-empty set, number of proper subsets. For any non-empty set, number of proper subsets is 2. No, number of improper sets is 2. For any non-empty set, number of improper subsets is 2. This is common value. Let's move on to the next one, please. Everyone, please see that. It is asking about the subset in this case, whether x is subset of y or y is subset of x or x is equal to y. That's what the question is. Now, if you take x now, are there everyone? X is equal to 8 power n minus 7n minus 1. Now, of course, this n is given to be any natural number only. You must take this.
Sir, we can take it as 1.
Yes, yes. You have to start from 1. Now, y is 49 into n minus. And of course, here also, n is belong to natural number. Are you there?
Sir, we can give values of n, 1 or 2.
Sir, then we can get C option C.
See that? See that, please. Now, if you give different values here to n, if n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, that means that is given in the set builder form. I'm converting it to roster form. Converting it to roster form by giving the values. And so on. Then x is equal to. Let me write that. First one is 0, na?
Yes, sir.
Second one 64, 63, 63 minus 14, 49. Third one 8 cube 64 into 3, 100 and 200 and 64 into 3, no? 64 into 3, yeah. 180 or 3 is 12. 192 minus 21 is 182, 170, 171. 171 minus 1. How much is it, please? Anyone?
Sir,
490.
Huh?
490.
455. Sir, 8 cube is 512.
X cube is 8 cube is
512.
64. Yeah, you're right. Huh. Come on, tell me then what is the final value?
455.
So 490.
So 490.
Sir, 490. 490.
Yeah. Keep it like this. We'll check it out again if some common value if we don't get. Now here also, if putting n equal to 1, you will get 0. Putting n equal to 2, you will get 49. Putting n equal to 3, you will get 49 into 2. That means you have more numbers here. Putting n is equal to 4, you will get 49 threes. So it contains more elements, and you tell me whatever the set containing more elements will be the universal set, obviously, in this context. So you tell me whether x is subset of y or y is subset of x.
Y is a subset of X.
So therefore, y is subset of x.
Sir, X will be subset of Y.
Oh, sorry. You're right.
Sir, cube are
The bigger set is y here. X is subset of y. You're right. Ananya,
sir, yes.
Sir,
X
sir.
will be a subset of Y.
Hello, sir.
huh.
So here, how we decided that who is the bigger set?
Because it contains 0, 49, 490, no elements in between. But here you have 0, 49 and 98 is there, 147 is there. In this series, definitely you will get 490 if n is equal to 11. If n is equal to 11, you will have 490.
Yes, sir. So X is a subset of Y.
Yes. Yes, please.
Sir, how it equal to sign will come then? It is not equal, we know, but
You need not have to write, but he has given it. That's why I wrote it. But it is perfectly, we know that x is perfect subset of y. Need not be equal. Equality need not be written. That means perfectly writing, it should be like this. Clear? Every one of you, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, operations on sets. Union of sets. Let A and B This is very simple, yeah. Very, very simple. Follow this carefully. Follow this carefully. Union means either A or B or both. This is called union. Either A or B or both. I'll draw it and I'll show you separately. Union. See, this is one set. This is another set. I'll take separate page for that one. Just a moment, please. Just a moment. Yes, I'm there. Yeah. This is general notation of universal set. In this one, I have taken a set A and I have taken another set B. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of A union B? This is, let me show it through yellow color because I have taken yellow color there. This is A and this is B, and whatever the combination of yellow and green is there, that we call it as intersection. Because it is present in both. That intersection symbol is denoted like this. U inverted. U inverted. This is intersection symbol. A intersection. Always remember, further we are going to learn this only in further in permutations and combinations, probability and all this, we'll have to use this. Remember, very simple. Union, symbol is U. Read as union, means ORR. Algebraically, it can be understood that it is nothing but addition. Similarly, intersection, symbol, inversion of U, intersection, equal to, and. It is and, please, and. This and is equal to into, please. Further, you will be getting this. Into, we'll get this further in probability. Next, you will be getting this. So R stands for union, and algebraically further you will be learning it as plus. And intersection stands for and means A and B. You have to read it as A and B. And further algebraically you will be getting it as product. Okay, let me show you that. Now this yellow part, yellow shaded region represents A. And green, I'm taking vertical. Green shaded region, I'm taking it vertical. Are you there, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright, it's very simple that literally also, what I mean to say by literally, according to English literature, and what I said, we used the symbol intersection wherever the intersection of yellow lines and green lines is happening, that is nothing but intersection. That intersection is nothing but and. Symbolically also you can understand that. Now, what is the meaning of union? Union is equal to or R in English language, R, and it is plus algebraically. It is nothing but the part which is containing, union means the part which is containing only yellow, only green, and both yellow and green. That means the entire part is covered in this one. Entire part is covered in this one. Very simple. I don't want to extend it more. I will show you like this. Enough. I'll write it in white color. Just a moment. Enough A union B. A union B. This you will get it as a formula. N of A union B is nothing but N of A. What does it mean by N of A? The number of elements of A plus N of B. What does it mean by N of B? The number of elements of B, set B. If I write like this, what happens, in N of A, this intersection part will be there, and in N of B also, this intersection part will be there. That means this intersection part will be repeated. Repeated. How many times it is repeated?
2 times.
2 times.
That is the reason why you have to subtract once. That's it. This is nothing but union, please. So, how do you understand this verbally? How do you understand this verbally? In the problems, you will be getting that. N of A or B, N of A or B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A and B. That means that symbol I converted them as I converted it verbally. That's it.
Yes, sir.
This is nothing but union. Union means everything is taken, yeah. Union means
Yes,
everything
sir.
is taken. Everything is taken means only A taken, only B taken, both A and B taken. That's what you have to understand. Only A means this one. Only B means this one. Or both A and B means this one. Now, I'll tell you one more thing here. Just a moment, let me complete. One moment. One moment, please. See, if I want only A, how do I write this? You can also say this. Only A. Only A. I'll show you that. What does it mean by only A? This part which is containing only yellow. I needed to draw this in fact. Only yellow, not yellow and green. No, I don't need to draw this. You will understand now. Only A is equal to only yellow. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only A is equal to only yellow means, how do we say that? It is nothing but A minus A intersection B. Understand that? Understand that, please?
Yes, sir.
Or even you can say, further you will be getting like this also. A minus B. Both are same. Only A means A minus B. That is Total A taken minus B subtracted. Minus B subtracted means this green shade is subtracted. Now let me expect from you only B, please.
B minus A intersection B and B minus A.
You're right. अरे यार बाकी लोग बोलना है बेटा. शाश्वत B
So
minus
B minus B intersection A
yeah
and B minus A.
or B minus A. Both are same. This is what you have to understand, please. This is what you have to understand.
Sir,
Yeah.
so when we subtract B minus A, sir, so some extra part of A is left. We have to not consider that part, no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So these are the symbols further used. You have to understand that. Similarly, A complement. We write it as A complement with power C. A read it as we read it as A complement, and it is also shown like A bar also, A bar or A dash also. All these are same. And it is to be understood that it is A complement means verbally you have to understand. Verbally you have to understand, not A. Understand that? Not A means
Yes, sir.
we don't want A. We don't want A. So you have to subtract. You have to subtract A from the universal set. Universal set I am denoting with U. So not A means U minus anyone. What should be written? Minus A.
NA.
A.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Not A means universal set minus A. Then I need not have to tell you not B.
Universal set minus B.
Yeah, universal set minus B. Now these are to be understood as operations on the sets. Operations on the sets. Okay, I have explained you, and whatever the points, if at all any missing points are there, we will be covering in the theory I have taken.
Sir,
Of course, you have some more also. Yeah.
सर A complement will be only B, right? मतलब equal होगा ना दोनों.
No, beta. A complement
नहीं
is
होगा.
not A means outside also there. No, outside also there. Not A means it may be B or it may be outside of A. Shashwat,
हाँ सर.
Miloni,
Yes, sir.
you understand this?
हाँ आता है.
Alessa,
Yes, sir.
Om Nayak, is there? Om Nayak is there in the class?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, here we are means not A means we are subtracting that common part also, no, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
We will be doing this extensively because it is the beginning. You have some confusions. If you understand properly, this logic will be very much helpful to you. These are called Venn diagrams. These Venn diagrams will be very much helpful to you in solving the problems easily, verbal problems easily. Otherwise, to solve them algebraically, it will be difficult. To solve those problems algebraically will be difficult, but if you solve them through the diagrams, that will be very, very easy for you. I'm erasing it. If anyone wants to take the screenshot of it, you can take, or otherwise I'm removing this. Should I?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is what union of sets. Now, because the explanation is completed, let us say this: union of sets. The union of A and B is a set of all elements which are in the set A or in B. And underline that R there, or R. We denote the union of A and B by A union B. From union only that symbol is taken. From U only it is taken. What is A union B? If you take, if you write the set builder form, X is such that X belongs to A, or X belongs to B, or X belongs to both. This is the meaning of it. X may be present in A, or X may be present in B. That's what is A union B. Now, if you take theoretically, what happens, just see this. This is read as like sigma notation. Sigma stands for summation, Similarly, here this is union. Union notation. Follow this carefully, no confusion. Union of AI, I runs from 1 to n. Union of AI, I runs from 1 to n. What does it mean? In place of I, write 1, A1. In place of I, write 2, union A2. In place of I, write 3, union A3. Like that, there are n sets union is to be found out. How do you understand this? A1 union, A2 union, A3, and so on union AN. Means either A1 or A2 or A3 or so on or AN. This is the meaning of it. So that is a notation you have to understand. This is operations on sets. Union is important, and why it is important, I'll tell you. And I think every one of you have probability in your 10th class now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. That's what I gave now. That's what I have shown through the diagram. In further probability will be that n will be replaced with P. That's it. P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Anyone, do you tell me what is a classical definition of probability? What is the definition you have learned in probability? Anyone in the class? Number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Are no one responding here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's
Are
what.
yaar Ananya, no one is responding here.
Yes, sir.
Alessa, याद नहीं है आपको?
सर हमें डेफिनेशंस नहीं थी.
डेफिनेशन तो ठीक है यार. तो प्रॉब्लम में कैसे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं वो बता कम से कम.
सर हमें मतलब उसका मीनिंग पता था, डेफिनेशंस बताई नहीं थी.
नहीं,
सर अप्लाई.
सिंपल है. फेवरेबल आउटकम्स डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल आउटकम्स. टोटल
हाँ
आउटकम्स
सर, यस सर.
टोटल आउटकम्स को हम सेट नोटेशन में ऐसा दिखाते हैं n of s. दोनों तरफ n of s से डिवाइड कर दो और ये तो p हो जाता है. P of A यूनियन B. मतलब मैं आपको प्रोबेबिलिटी भी सिखा रहा हूं.
Yes.
is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection. ये प्रोबेबिलिटी ऐसा टॉपिक है आप 11th 12th में ही नहीं है. बाद में आप जब MBA के लिए कैट लिखते हैं तब भी आएगा. जो आप एम्प्लॉयमेंट के लिए कुछ यूपीएससी एग्जाम यानी बैंकिंग सर्विस एग्जाम नहीं तो रेलवे रिक्रूटमेंट बोर्ड है सबके लिए लिखते हैं ना तब भी आएगा ये प्रोबेबिलिटी. मतलब this probability of course is again derived from this set theory only. That means the probability will be represented using sets like that. So this is the importance of the sets. Okay. So operations on sets, what we have learned first is union of sets. Okay. Union of sets. Let us see randomly what are the other operations left over, and we will continue, of course, in the next class. We'll be closing it now, but let us understand what we are going to learn in the next class. If we have any good students in the class, no, generally the good students, what they do, they first see the topics that are going that we are going to learn in the next class in the beginning itself. That means they will read it and they come to the class. That will be a good student's habit. That is the reason why I am discussing what is that I am going to discuss in the next class is intersection of sets. That is intersection symbol I have told you. It is very clear from the diagram itself you can understand. Disjoint sets, nothing is common. Disjoint, nothing is common. Next, difference of sets. Difference of sets, A minus B, B minus A. Difference of sets. Next, symmetric difference of two sets, A minus B, union B minus A. Complement of set, I taught you that. Now these are the problems which are there in exercise 1 of your MJ material. I have taken among 30 problems from the exercise. Maybe I have taken 5 to 6 problems from the exercise. Rest all problems are easy. You can do that and I'll show you that. Just a moment, please. Do you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Besides those worked out examples, this is your MJ material. You can see that. And we have not seen all these operations. We are going step by step. But in the exercise, I have taken few problems from this. Along with my problems. Along with my own problems, I have taken some of this because to make you understand this, to make you work out this. अरे यार 47 स्टूडेंट्स था क्लास में, अभी 34 हो गया यार. ये लोग
So
तो
we are there.
हाँ
Fan there.
भाग रहे हैं यार, भाग रहे हैं. ठीक है. Okay.
Sir,
बोलो.
sir, could you please show the sums which you did today, sir? I didn't take the screenshot. I forgot, sir. Sorry, sir.
No, you proceed with the exercise 1. You don't need to take any screenshot.
Sir, but to refer the sums questions only means that's why.
No. What I'm saying, I have taken some of them. Why do you take the screenshot of it when you have the entire material? Are you getting my point?
Acha, I thought that sum may be different. That's why.
No. Extra problems anyway I'll discuss. That's different.